Good morning, Norm. What you doing?
Will, I'm standing here looking at our Elkhart Lake C8 Corvette, trying to figure out what's different. What's different? Oh, I see what's different. Can you spot what's different? First of all, our brand new carbon fiber, some people call it a splitter, some people call it a chin spoiler, and these little doohickeys right here, carbon. The decal up the hood, Corvette Stingray Racing. How cool is that? Always kind of reminded me of the Punisher logo, but it's the Vet logo right there in the middle. Oh, carbon mirrors. Hello. Carbon side skirts, aka rocker panel dealy cover thingies. And I don't know if you've noticed this or not. The 19s and the 20s. Forgiatos. Hello. Wrapped in Michelin pilots.
Wow, that looks absolutely incredible.
Can you, I mean, what? That's nailed those wheels. Nailed them. Perfect 19s, 20s. This looks awesome. The carbon looks incredible. And guess what, Will?
What?
Let's go for a spin. Well, Will, you know, if we're gonna take the drop top, you got to drop the top.
So what we're gonna do in just a second is Norm is gonna drop me off on this really pretty road, and he's gonna do a pass, and I'm gonna film it.
And I may not come back.
Yeah, I may stay there. That was awesome.
Your ride has arrived. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on TikTok and Instagram. See you next time.
Stingray Chevrolet, relax, enjoy the difference.